Guys, I found two ice cream trucks today. The other one is in the back. The second ice cream truck is not turkey in the straw, just the first one. And the second ice cream truck is not turkey in the straw. And it's not decorated and stuff. The first one's going the slowest one. Watch, let me show you what it is. We're gonna have some fun. Ta-da! Let me go for our second one. I never took a vid with two ice cream trucks. I only took it with one ice cream truck or with my same ice cream truck or not different ice cream truck. And this is what I found. Two ice cream trucks today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, my friends. Amazing.